Getting a good old-fashioned thunderstorm, finally. We haven't had rain for like over a week. So this is much needed for the garden and for our well. Good day to stay in. Hopefully this will last more than a few minutes. Sometimes we get those storms and then like a few minutes later they're done and then the sun comes out and it gets hotter than ever. I'm hoping it'll be a nice, lazy, rainy day. Thunder in the distance. My kind of day. Good excuse to stay in and get stuff done instead of being out. I was out yesterday doing the lawn. Maybe this will help my allergies too. They were pretty bad this morning. Still stuffed up, but I'll live. Wind is a blowin'. Okay, I guess that's enough. Don't want to bore you too much with a thunderstorm.